What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see this, but you guys are like, oh, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be making some garlic ginger tea. So now this is after 25 minutes. So this is done. Now I'm going to turn up the heat and cover it up for 12 to 24 hours. All right. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So this is after 13 hours of just letting the ginger garlic tea sit. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn on the heat. Just turn on the heat and let it warm up for a couple of minutes. Then after that, I'm just going to filter, pour that inside the bottle and put it in the fridge. So then like every morning before I eat anything, I'm just going to take a sip out of those ginger garlic tea inside a small cup before I eat anything. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss any of my video. Alright guys, signing out.